Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to have a PayPal balance. To begin, understand that your PayPal balance is the money held directly within your account, separate from linked bank accounts or cards. This balance can be used for online purchases, sending money, or withdrawing to your bank. It offers a convenient way to manage your funds, allowing for swift transactions without constant re-entry of payment details. Adding funds to your PayPal balance is straightforward. One common method is linking your bank account and initiating a transfer, which usually takes a few business days. Alternatively, when someone sends you money via PayPal, or if you receive payments from online sales, those funds are automatically credited to your balance. Some regions even allow cash deposits at specific retail stores for a small service charge. Managing and using your PayPal balance is incredibly simple. Once logged in, your current balance is clearly visible on your dashboard. You can instantly use these funds for online shopping at countless merchants worldwide, making checkout quick and seamless. Furthermore, sending money to friends or family members is just a few taps away, allowing you to transfer funds directly from your available balance. For optimal use of your PayPal balance, always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication. Be mindful that certain actions, like instant transfers to your bank, may involve a small fee, usually 1% of the amount. It's also wise to link a backup payment method, like a debit card, ensuring you can always complete transactions even if your PayPal balance is slightly short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.